Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS IAM Identity Center. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Sign in using your AWS account credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the IAM Identity Center option from the console. If this is your first time setting it up, follow the prompts to enable IAM Identity Center. After enabling, you'll see the dashboard for IAM Identity Center. Click on Manage Identity Source to choose how users will authenticate. You can select either AWS Managed or your own identity provider. If you choose AWS Managed, select AWS Managed Microsoft AD or external identity provider according to your needs. Next, proceed to create a new user. Fill out the required information, including username, email, and any additional details. Once the user is created, save the details for future reference. Navigate to the Users section to find the user you just created. Select the user to configure permissions. Assign the necessary permission sets that will govern access to your AWS resources. Make sure to review each permission set to ensure users have the correct access. Now, return to the IAM Identity Center dashboard. Here, you can customize login settings for your users. Decide if you want users to access their accounts via the IAM Identity Center URL or a custom link. If you choose a custom link, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once everything is configured, inform your users about their login credentials and the authentication process. Users can now access the AWS Management Console through the IAM Identity Center. They will need to enter their credentials on the login page. After logging in, users will see their dashboard with available AWS accounts and roles. Select an AWS account to access the resources they need. Upon selection, users can navigate the AWS Management Console with the permissions granted. Keep monitoring the IAM Identity Center for any changes or updates needed for user access. Regularly review and maintain user permissions for security compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.